Ready? Let's go. Little back floating.
All right, turn around, you're getting in the end.
Rob, I can't. Rob.
Sorry, hon.
Good job, Lil.
You gonna go back? Mm-hmm. All right, this is better. Yeah. Keep going.
Come on, kick.
There you go. All right, catch your breath.
Excellent. Hey, how about jumping off? Do a jump for me. Oh, but you gotta put your swim. You think you have to put your swimmies on to jump off?
I'll tell you what. Do a small jump from there to Grandpa. Well, you're gonna go underwater, but then pop up and swim. You didn't go underwater. Good job. I want you to go underwater. So jump a little higher. Okay? Let me show you. You don't want to?
Yes, we'll try.
This is what I want you to do. Just this. See, if you go, you jump, you're gonna go. And then you just come up and swim. Okay? I'm right here.
Just like you have your swimmies on, only you don't.
Jump. Got it, you got it.